So Algo made me 1.62% today. Let's begin from when it started that trade. It started that trade on the 5th, right? And then it did all the margin calls. But one thing I did extra was I had 3 margin calls, right? Just I wanted to show the difference it will make if you understand what it means not to run out of margin call. So one more margin call I gave to Argo, and guess what? Argo sold and got out on profit, right? Now, what did I do? I can use this now to even extend the margin call of this. You see, I extended the margin call to 3, but definitely I know that even these 2 margin call, either we get off on profit. So this shows you the power of margin call. Imagine today alone, I have made, for this test account, I made $11, right? And the investment was around, let's say, 800 and something, right? 800 and something. This is a days when the market was dumping. So imagine, let me show you. Look at that. Deal amount 909, okay, around 800 and something. So it means if I am trading with 8,000 plus, today I would have made $110, even while people are crying. If I'm trading with 80,000, I have put $1,000 in my pocket. Because of what? Because of capital management, right? So this is a great secret Royalq is putting into your hands that will stay with you even after Royalq. Because before Royalq, a lot of people do not know the power of fund management, even in the spot market, right? That's why I said this margin calls, the whole warehouse strategy is very powerful. And I said again, the more money you have, the more huge someone's capital is, the more conservative that person's capital should be. If somebody is coming in with $10,000, definitely you have to do what, especially if that person is trading hands-free, not one shot, you have to extend the person's setting, right? So that the person will trade comfortably, maybe 1,000 per coin with good setting. All right, now another thing I want to talk about is this. I saw some people in one group today, they were saying, you promise us that you'll be making money daily. Guys, I want you to hear me. There is no trading, there is no market, financial market that will make you money every day. Guaranteed. It may happen, but it's not guaranteed. So when we talk about daily returns, we are talking about average. We can say this thing can make you 1% on average daily. And what does it mean? Let's say over 20 days, you have made $10, all right? You made $10 in 20 days. We can comfortably say that you are making money daily on average by doing what? Okay, 10 divided by 20 days, $10 divided by 20 days. That means you are making 50 cents daily on average. Do you understand that? So the 2 settings I showed you guys, I showed you could make more than 100% of your capital. On average, you are seeing around $10 to $11, right? And then you could also go ahead and break it down daily on average. So you need to explain this to new people who are coming into crypto, okay, and who are coming into Royalq. You are looking at average return. In other words, there may be days you may not make money. I made money today with my Royalq, but I know a lot of people did not make money because of the pullback, okay, and because of the capital. Fine. Doesn't mean that you can't make money the next day. So when you make money the next day or next 2 days, you should be able to do what? Average know the average, right? Get whatever you make daily from the average, right? That is another information. The last information I want to share is this. Guys, I want us to, appreciate what we have in the crypto markets. Let's go to Bitcoin. I don't know where we are, but those of you in Europe or in America or outside Nigeria, or even in Nigeria, it could be possible. You will know that when you buy a house here, okay, you are paying instrumentally. You do not pay off immediately. All right, it's a big business. It takes years. It takes years for the real estate company to recoup their money, the worth of that house. So people pay all their, in fact, more than half of their lives paying mortgage. Okay, paying mortgage every month you work, you pay you use part of your salary to pay for that house. It could run up to 20 years. Okay, you are paying. But those companies, the real estate company, they are they know that they are in business because they are cashing out for all those years. Now, the same thing is applicable for those who are doing real estate business in other forms, right? Like those of you that are landlords, you know that after you have built house, if you are a landlord in Nigeria or anywhere, you know that it's gonna take you time to recoup the money you put in the house before you now start making profit. But it is an asset. Now let us look at what we have in crypto. Crypto is one of the best investment opportunity I have ever seen, because in crypto, you do not have to wait for 2 years, 1 year to make profit from your investment. If you look at Bitcoin chart, this is Bitcoin's monthly chart, right? I just want us to have a general understanding of what is happening so that you don't need to freak out or cry over these things. This is Bitcoin's monthly chart. This is the bottom, okay? This green, at least from when it appeared on TradingView, when the company started, 2017. Notice that Bitcoin has not tanked below the low of the previous years. It is always going up. If you look at Bitcoin chart now, you can confidently say that it has been an uptrend, right? So whatever we are seeing is just a mere pullback. Just a mere pullback. It has been an uptrend, right? Look at that. What does this tell you? It's telling you that if you get into these markets, even if it is dumping, you know that the next year, your situation will not remain the same. Or in a couple of months to come, you are recouping your investment with profits. So when we understand this, we do what? We calm down. Don't be among those taking losses. I saw someone crying, he entered crypto, he has been taking losses, not even futures, not even leverage, just spot. Why? You enter the market, you see it dump, you sell. Tomorrow you see it go up again, you enter at the top. So Royalq is trying to help. In fact, Royalq is training us in all ramifications, right? It's training you to know how to manage your money. It's training you to have patience. What has made us a lot of money in this crypto is our patience, not our frantic efforts to make money daily. And I want to commend the community, because in my group, for instance, today people are happy going about their business. People have understood that you must not make profit every day, okay? Rather, you have to appreciate the edge you have over others who are not using the software. Because when they are seeing negative 10%, you are seeing negative 4%, which is easy. for you to come out. And that is why, for instance, if you are trading hours, I'm trading hours in one of my accounts. You see, I have made profits today over from hours. From this pullback, I have already made profits. All right. This is beautiful. This wouldn't have been possible without this margin calls and of course, Huobi house strategy, because if it were to be sub-based strategy, all the negatives that happened in the market, you have to see it registered at least for your first call to fourth call. That's not a good experience. So I want to tell everyone on call, making money in crypto is easy, but you need capital. And if you don't have the capital, you need to do what? Think of how to build. I will still tell you this. This year, we are giving people the opportunity to, to fly on our shoulder and build and generate money. I told people, raise $100,000, which should be your active trading capital. If you don't want to trade due to Royalq, fine, but raise $100,000, which you will which we will cherish and preserve no matter what you are seeing in the market. If you have $100,000, you'll be cashing out between $500 to $7,000 every day. So if you have 100,000 and you arrange it with Royalq, any opportunity you want to be putting that profit in as they come, you won't feel it because the source is intact. All right. So please, you want to do what? Take advantage of all the things you are being taught, because from next year, we will be operating on another level. From next year, all those who did not make money this year, you will be paying. I mean, I can tell you that you will be paying. I told some people, from next year, those who have made money, they will get more. Like in my team, I know those who are working hard, sometimes I just give them $100, $10, $20, because they are working hard, right? So if you are not taking advantage of the opportunity, you have to think twice. We are telling you this. We have been in this space. We have been in all these areas. We know all the beautiful things out there. But this particular one, your active trading capital that you can trade without having high blood pressure, without putting your current lifestyle at risk, is something you should grow, protect, and be taking out the profits small from the markets. Now that the market crashed a bit, you don't have to worry because you know that the direction is in your favor. Majority of the world, they are hoping that the crypto goes up. So this will be definitely the wrong time for you to sell or to short, all right? Because the move will also be massive upwards soon, all right? Thank you very much. Thank you, JB King, once again for having me. Thank you.